Hello everyone, good morning children. Today we are going to study about domestic animals. Children, do you know what are domestic animals? The animals that are reared in the farm are called domestic animals. Look at this picture. Which animal is this? Dog. There are many breeds of dogs. Some are small and some are big. They have different colors. They are like black, brown, white, etc. They usually live in house and the home that we build for them is called kennel. They are pet animals. They like to eat bread and meat and drink milk. They are faithful and loyal to their master. Can you tell how dog helps us? A dog guard our house like this. Check out this picture. Which animal is this? Cat. They are of different types and colors. Some are black, white, grey, etc. They are small animals. They live with us in our house. They are pet animals. How does cat helpful for us? A cat catches mice. They like to eat fish and mice and drink milk. Which animal is this? Sheep. Yes, correct. They are of different colors, white, black, etc. The home that we build for them is called a pen. They eat grass and vegetables. We get wool from them. And we make sweater, woolen cloths from this wool. Which animal is this? Children, this is a cow. They have different colors, white, black, brown, etc. They are big animals. They have two horns. The home that we build for them is called shed. They eat grass, oil cake, hay, etc. Can you tell me what do we get from the cow? We get milk from the cow. Milk is very good for our health. Can you tell another animal which gives us milk? Yes, this is a goat. Goat lives in a shed or pen. Goat gives us milk. Goat eat grass and the young one of a goat is called kid. So one more animal that gives us milk, that is buffalo. This is a buffalo. They are black in color. They are big animals. They have two horns. The home that we build for them is called a shed. They eat grass, hay and oil cake. They also give us milk. Next we are going to study about animals that carry loads and also travel. See this picture. Which animal is this? Yes, you all are right. This is a camel. Camel is called as sheep of the desert because camel is widely used to people of the desert to travel from one place to another, and it is also used to carry loads. Children, tell me the name of this animal. Yes, you are right. It is a donkey. Donkey is also used to carry loads. They are big animal and they are very useful for us. See the next picture. Which animal is this? This is a horse. They are of different colors: white, brown, black, etc. They are big animals. The home that we build for them is called a stable. They are like to eat grass, groundnuts, gram. They run very fast. We ride on them. They are used to pull tangas. Now it is a question time. Let's learn question answers. Answer the following. Children, can you tell me how domestic animals help us? How they are very useful for us? Children, there are some animals which are very useful for us, so we train and domesticate them for our different needs like food, to carry loads and to travel. So this type of animals useful for us. Name two animals that gives us milk. We get milk from cow, goat and buffalo. Next, name the animal that guards our house. Yes, it is dog. Very good, children. Next are animal that catches mice. Which animal catches the mice? Yes, cat catches the mice. Let's learn another question. Name two animals that carry loads. Yes, right. Camel and donkey are the animals they carry our loads. See the next question. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. So children, this was about domestic animals we learned today. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Till then, bye. See you. Revise this domestic animals. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.